Hi, I'm Jess. Thanks for tuning in. If you are furious and frustrated with having to not use holiday lights or Halloween lights, whatever you call it, whatever you name it, because you don't have exterior lighting, this little hack here is for you. I just got this new exterior light. I got a pack of 2 for, I want to say $50, and they have GFCI outlets built into the bottoms. I'm so excited for the holiday season. I'm so excited to get up non-solar string lights that actually have power, and I'm going to show you exactly how I changed out my old fixture to this one. Alright, so today I'm going to remove this light and put my new light that has GFCI outlet in it. I've already gone ahead and just unscrewed these caps here so that this comes out, and I just went ahead and cut my wires because they're really dug deep in there. So the next thing I'm going to do is
turn the power off.
Oh yes, first thing I did was turn off the power. Don't forget to turn off your power. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this bracket because this is where my new one is gonna go. So I'm actually gonna cut this wire here so I can get this down without it falling and breaking. Thank you very much. And I'm just gonna unscrew all these. A drill would probably be helpful, but I'm just gonna Alright, so I got this bracket off. Filming? Yeah? Now I just have my 2 wires here. I am going to go ahead and just strip very tiny bits here because that is what's going to get connected to the new lights. Just doing a tiny bit.
What gauge wire is it?
14 work well. So I'm going to go with 14. It's 12 or 14. I'm not an electrician. If you are afraid of working with electrical, consult a professional. That's my disclaimer. Be right back. All right, so this is the fixture that I'm going to be putting up. I'm putting it up primarily because of the outlets here, which I'll show you guys shortly. In case you do decide to get this, I'll go ahead and show you exactly what you need to do once you get it from the box. And the first is to take this back frame that's going to go up here off. Back here came with the light. I'm just grabbing out the 2 screws to mount this plate. Just going to make sure your wires come through here. So at this point, I am just using the 2 screws provided and the holes that were already in the siding to screw this plate on, which will then secure it to the light fixture. It's a little bit of an odd angle because there were steps below, so I couldn't use something to get myself up there. So that's kind of the struggling that you see happening. But I'm just going to go ahead and get those in so that once that is tight on both screws, we can move to the next part. So now, here's what we're going to do next. Using the caps provided, I'm going to connect the white wire to the white wire and the black wire to the black wire. I'm going to twist them with these guys here. And because we don't have a ground coming from the wall, I'm going to connect my ground to the ground screw. Close to you to my face. Can you see my nostrils? Inside my nostrils.
Okay,
so at this point we were having a hard time figuring out how we were both going to have our hands free and record this, so it ended up, we thought it was recording and it didn't, so it got cut. What you missed was me connecting the black wire to the black wire, the white to the white with both the caps and tape, and then the ground to the ground wire. Then I just screwed those 4 screws on the outside of the fixture to the plate, and it was good to go.
It's not recording anymore.
Here's this. Yes, it is.
Oh, you started recording again?
I did.
It says the storage was low.
Oh, yeah, that's about to happen.